hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate
nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime.
What are you doing?
Having a game of nighttime, daytime. You want to play?
No, you're right, I got an Xbox.
Ooh, look at me. I'm Jamie Oliver, the naked chef. I'm a rock star with a herb garden. No, wait, I'm organic Jamie, the homely chef with a family I grew in compost. Make your mind up, mate. I'll never forgive him for what he did to those poor turkey twizzlers.
Would you just like to open wide, sir?
Okay.
You going anywhere nice on your holidays?
I think...
Yeah, don't try and talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. My wife and I are thinking of going abroad this year. Dudley, she's got family in the zoo over there. You got kids?
Yeah.
Please don't talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir.
Hi.
Could do with a fill in here, actually, at the back. Is it mainly bananas you eat?
Bananas, yeah.
I won't tell you again, sir. Please don't try and speak when I'm working inside your mouth. Right, I'm just going to have a cheeky little taste. That's not bad, actually. Not what's done, just need to smell your breath. Oh, God, that is rank. I think I need to lie down. Oh, God.
Oh, excuse me there, coming through.
Oh, sorry, old bean, I was just...
This is a bit awkward. I beg your pardon. If I could just get round to the...
Now we're dancing.
Oh, yes, quite. Well, this is most embarrassing.
Oh, dear. You appear to have tipped me over.
No, I'm dreadfully sorry, old chap.
Oh, bother. Well, that's how a no-claim's gone, eh?
Yes, it is. Did I tell you my name?
I don't believe you did.
No, well, cheerio then.
David, can you turn that racket off, please? Thank you.